I cannot believe it's come down to this. This is just crazy. Smoked pizza rolls. What is this world coming to? Hey everyone, I just wanted to make an update video real quick to kind of Hey everyone! Hey, we're making a video today, not sure what I'm doing. I just figured I'd give a little update video here to let you guys know that I'm still around. No, I'm not in a quarantine suit or walking around scared for my life. But we are taking it serious here at Baum Grillin'z, and we are staying home and doing what we can do. I haven't posted a video in a couple of weeks. There's been a lot going on, as you guys know, and I hope everybody's staying safe and doing the right thing. I've been trying to make videos. The last 2 weeks I've gone out and gone fishing, and I got skunked both times. Got one, guys. Well, he got away. That was disappointing. And I didn't catch nothing. I've just had this really urge to try this trout recipe, and I wanted to have a fresh trout in order to do it. They were beautiful days for fishing, just horrible days for catching. So that didn't pan out, but that's okay. We're gonna refocus because today I was actually gonna go fishing. I went and got on the internet this morning, and they said that fishing was closed. You cannot fish. They canceled fishing. You can take the man's job, you can take the man's toilet paper, but you cannot take the man's right to fish. I'm going to obey the law. 2 weeks, we're not supposed to be fishing. Stupid. But I'm going to refocus, and we'll shoot a video here at the Cowboy Kitchen and just kind of stay around town for now. Probably, I might do a couple adventure videos, but I don't know. This stuff's crazy out there. I know you're all experiencing it. Comment down below how it's going in your area. If it's any better than where we're at here in Washington. Everything's locked down. I mean, you can go to the grocery store and all that, but that's it. For now, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of update. We are cheery. We are hopeful. We're jumping around, frolicking around, riding scooters, and just having a good time. Anyways, guys, this is not the end. We will get through this. We all will get through this. Barbecue will go on, and things will be great. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a good one. Comment down below how things are in your area, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Baum Grillin'z out.